for those who are inspired, who seek what is beyond the status quo. Together, we are the ones with inspiration. We are bold. We are differentiated. We are seekers, pioneers of innovation, disruption, and progress. We thank you for empowering frontline workers, for building the AI solutions that change the world, while keeping security foundational to everything you do, and for believing in our technology and in our mission to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Thank you for your cutting-edge devices, for your AI innovation, solutions, and co-pilots. To all of you who share the belief that technology should serve people, that a cleaner world is possible, we'll be there for you, at your side, on the edge. So let's meet where you are and change the world together. Because the power of this partnership is just the beginning.
Right. Thank you very, very much for being at Ignite and for being partnered with us. It's fantastic to see all the Partner of the Year award winners here. So first, a big round of applause and congratulations to all of you. You know,